record a quick video kind of previewing what I'm looking at for the euro come Thursday morning, and also invite you all to join me at 7:20. We're going to be actually starting our chat 40 minutes early in front of the minimum bid rate that comes out at 7:45 a.m. Eastern. Again, this is going to be Thursday morning. We're going to open the chat room early because this minimum bid rate is expected to go from that 0.25% to 0.10%. And while we usually kind of overlook the minimum bid rate when it comes to the euro, this minimum bid rate could be where the fireworks begin. Again, 7:45, going into the ECB press conference. My take all along for a couple weeks has been, and ever since really that May 8th sell-off in the euro, I don't know how Draghi really can surprise the market. The market is baked into the cake, pretty much everything that we know, including negative deposit rates, into this market. So how does Draghi trump that and initiate another wave of selling? That's what I doubt, which is why I believe this area, not only from the perspective of this very fresh 4 to 6 o'clock transition, okay, I think this level could be indeed oversold. Now, we're going to be talking about this live on Thursday, but I think there's an excellent opportunity to play a pop in the euro, move to the upside via options. I'm playing options in the euro US and the euro yen, call options. I think we could play a pop to the upside, but ultimately I am looking for a fatigue play and a short off the 137 handle. So that is something that I would like to see. In fact, that's going to be a little bit more of a conservative swing short within the context of a fairly fresh 4 to 6 o'clock angle here. So that's one look at the euro Aussie. Another look at the euro Aussie, which I really like, is the euro pound. And I know the pound had a rough week last week, but if we can see some euro strength and a rally, and this will be very much an hourly PMR / catch the wick opportunity that we will set up closer to not just the 7:45 event Thursday morning, but also the 8:30 press conference. We're going to look at those price movement ranges, do the arithmetic on that, and find out where those exhaustion, those fatigue levels can be, and whether or not we're going to stick with the current conservative short zone, park our limit orders in order to capitalize on a swing short in this pair. One of the few pairs, one of the 5, where we have some clarity in the trend, meaning some DB, some directional bias. So that's going to be another look at how we could take advantage of a euro pop, and then possibly taking that near-term euro strength I'm expecting and where it's appropriate to sell into it and where it's appropriate just to leave it alone. Euro yen has been interesting. I already bought these euro yen options, and I've seen already a pretty decent return on them, but the real volatility play for me is going to be on that Thursday morning. I'd like to liquidate these as there is some sort of reaction to the upside in the euro. However, what if there is not a reaction to the upside in the euro? I'm already long 2 lots from 138.50. So that's been a nice trade. But what I am looking for is that one wick, that one move, maybe towards the 140.50 area, 140.50, even 140.20. I do have the options, but what I'm thinking is, where could the exhaustion be waiting? Because again, I'm not looking for a longer term move in the euro to the upside. I'm looking for that catch the wick. And then ultimately what I'd like is for a one thing leads to another scenario of euro strength into swing shorts. That's really where I'd like to be a little bit longer term. We're going to be talking about all that on Thursday morning starting at 7:20. So I've included the link where you can join me on Thursday morning if you'd like. Take advantage of the $7 trial we have running this month of June. Actually, it's no longer May, month of June. And I want to mention, if you are going to join us, it's not just the Thursday 7:20. You can, if you do this tonight, tomorrow, if you actually join us $7 tonight, tomorrow I'm actually doing a beginner's tutorial. So you can catch me for that tutorial in the chat room, which will be recorded and posted in the members area. You can take advantage, of course, that 7:20 chat time as I set up the ECB event. And since you get a $7 trial for the entire month, next Wednesday we're going to be doing the members only sabotage, the premium sabotage what are those things that you are doing that is sabotaging your trading, the sabotaging presentation. Maybe you saw the first 5. Well, there are actually 14 in total. So I'll be talking about the other 9. That's going to be a premium members only presentation. So if you join us for $7 this month, you can take advantage of all 3 of those things just in the next week, as well as site access to my charts of the day, the morning chat, the recap, the premium videos, and a number of other tutorials and lessons. Pretty much Forex Palooza, as well as a lot of the futures trading that I do. All right, so that is tonight's free video. I hope you're going to join us for tomorrow's tutorial, and definitely for Thursday morning, 7:20 a.m., we are going to see what we can do going into this volatility event, control some risk, but capitalize on, I think, that scenario of a euro pop into a longer-term euro weakness play. All right, I'll see you in the next update.